welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Ministry of Coal executes agreements for 3 commercial coal blocks with Damodar Valley Corporation, advancing India's energy security and employment goals. In a significant step towards reinforcing India's energy security and accelerating economic growth, the Ministry of Coal has executed coal mine development and production agreements (CMDPAs) with Damodar Valley Corporation for 3 commercial coal blocks: Dhulia North, Mandakini B, and Pirpainti Barahat. These blocks were successfully auctioned under the 13th round of commercial coal mining auctions. The execution of these agreements represents a significant milestone in India's journey towards self-reliance in the coal sector. All 3 coal blocks are fully explored and together account for a cumulative peak rated capacity of 49 million tons per annum, underscoring their strategic importance in meeting the country's growing energy requirements. The projects are envisaged to generate an estimated annual revenue of rupees 4,621 crore while attracting a capital investment of approximately rupees 7,350 crore, thereby contributing substantially to economic activity and industrial growth. In addition to strengthening energy availability, the development of these coal blocks is expected to deliver significant socio-economic benefits. The 3 projects are projected to create around 66,248 direct and indirect employment opportunities, fostering livelihood generation and regional development in the coal-bearing areas. The Ministry of Coal remains steadfast in its commitment to expanding domestic coal production through a transparent, competitive and investor-friendly auction framework. These efforts are aimed to ensuring long-term energy security, stimulating economic growth and advancing inclusive development in alignment with the national vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The next topic for the day is Department of Post delivers first ever ONDC online order as logistics service provider. Department of Posts achieved a significant milestone with the successful booking of its first online order through the Open Network for Digital Commerce (ONDC) on January 13, 2026, acting in a capacity of a logistics service provider (LSP). The consignment was successfully delivered today on January 15, 2026. The inaugural order placed by Udyam Well marks an important step in the department's efforts to provide digitally enabled and interoperable logistics solutions. Udyam Well, an ONDC-enabled initiative, is focused on supporting Bharatpreneurs by offering comprehensive services to artisans, farmers, and other rural entrepreneurs. The Department of Post's integration with the Open Network for Digital Commerce (ONDC) enables sellers on ONDC-enabled buyer applications to select the Department of Post for parcel pickup, booking, transmission and delivery through its extensive nationwide postal network. At present, the Department of Posts is live on ONDC with the click and book model. Under this model, sellers can digitally generate pickup requests, choose the Department of Posts as the logistics partner, and have parcels collected from their premises. Postage is collected at the time of pickup and are inducted, tracked and delivered using the department's technology enabled logistics system. With its unmatched reach, trusted public service legacy and expanding digital capabilities, the Department of Posts onboarding as a logistics service provider on ONDC will significantly strengthen the national digital e-commerce ecosystem and enable inclusive participation of MSME and small sellers across the country. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.